Hi students, welcome. This is Varsha ICC Max 10th. So this is the sixth lesson, problems on quadratic equations. Okay, so this is first exercise from R.S. Agarwal book. This is our 17th question. Okay, so what's our question? A train covers a distance of 780 kilometer. Okay, at x kilometer per hour. Had the speed been x minus 5 kilometer by hour, the time taken to cover the same distance would have been increased by 1 hour. Write down an equation in x and solve it for x. So this is our question, students. See, this type of question you will see in the many of the competition examinations. Okay, so please you just understand the concept. Okay, concept of the question. So this is what these sums show that max how much used in our daily life. Okay, so distance, time, speed. Okay, the algebra is how you are using, okay, to find the result. Let us go to the sum. A train covers a distance of 780 kilometer at x kilometer per hour. So this is speed. So this is distance. Okay. Yes, you can write here. See students, a train covers a distance of 780 kilometers. So this is distance at speed. So this is speed. Okay, had, this is full stop, had the speed been x minus 5. So already here x. So the speed is reduced, okay, by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, it is reduced. The time taken to cover the same distance, the time taken would have been increased by 1 hour. So when the time by x, the speed x, okay, so the speed is reduced by 5, the time is also reduced by 1 hour. Okay, because the speed is reduced. Okay, so automatically the time will increased. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, so now go to the sum. You have two subdivisions. Okay, see, first distance. So what is your distance? Distance is 780 kilometer. Okay, see, distance 780. Here also distance 780. So the distance never change. Okay, so that's why you have written here. So what about speed? Speed is that is x kilometer per hour. Here the speed is x minus 5, okay, kilometer per. So what about time? So you can write speed 1, speed 2. So this is t1 and t2. Okay students. So what is the time? What is the time here? The time is, see, t2. So the t2 is increased by 1 hour. So what do you mean by that? The time already is t1. Okay, so the t2 is increased by t1. So t1 plus 1. So this is what the important equation. Okay, so this is the relationship. Okay students, so t1 is here the first time and t2 is the second time. So the given by the statement, t2 is increased by 1 with t1. Okay, okay, so what is our speed time formula? Time is equal to distance by speed. So this is for t1 and this is for t2. So this is distance by s2. So this is s1, s2. See students, t1, t2, s1, s2. But d is not changing because that is a distance. Okay, it is constant, it is not change. Okay, so t1 is equal to, what is our distance? 780. So what is our s1? Speed, first speed x. So t2. So what is our d2? t2 is distance 780 by x minus 5. So these are the two things. So you have to visualize this. Okay students, you have to know the clear concept. Okay, you have two things. So distance is not changed, speed is changed by 5 and time is also increased by 1 hour. Okay, so you have got the equation. So what is our equation? T2 is equal to T1 plus 1. So what is what T2? This is 780 by x minus 5. So what is what T1? That is 780 by x plus 1. Okay, do you catch my point? Okay, so now you can find the value of x, then you will find everything. Okay, see this comes up here. So this fraction is 780 by 5. This is equal to 1. Okay, you can solve easily. So take your 780 outside. So 1 by x minus 5 minus 1 by x equal to 1. Okay, see how will you take LCM method or cross multiplication, both are equal. See students, one student asked me, one you have taken when LCM method, when cross multiplication is. See, this is LCM method only. Okay, so it is easy to cross multiply, that's what you are taking. Minus plus, okay, when you have to add or subtract, the fraction can be taken by LCM method. Okay, see, this is, now I am going to cross multiply. So this is 780, okay, x minus x minus 5 by x into x minus 5. So this is equal to 1. So do you understand this step, ma? Yes. So see, here the x goes 1 x or x. Okay, so this is minus and one time here also, so minus x minus 5. So in this place you will have commit a mistake. Okay, so you should not do that. This is x minus 5 goes this side. So but this minus is common for both the terms, that is important. Okay, so see 780. So see, multiply x, multiply by the minus sign, it means minus 1. Okay, so this is minus 5 and plus 5. So minus x, sorry, plus 5. Okay, the denominator you multiply x square minus 5x. Okay students, see, so now you can cancel, x minus x is cancelled. Okay, so in the this is equal to 1. See, so you got 780 into 5 and cross multiply again. So equal to x square minus 5x. See this step. Okay, so if you multiply you get 0, 40, 4, 35. So this is 39 equal to square minus 5x. So you can just interchange the places. Square minus 5x equal to 3900. Okay, so this is x square minus 5x minus 3900 equal to 0. See, this is a quadratic equation. You can solve by b square form method, or you can simplify the method. Okay, so I am going with the simplification method. See, 1 into 3300, that is minus 3900, this is minus 5. Okay students, so 3900 can be 39 into 100. So 39 can be written as 3, this is 1 3, and 20 into 5. Okay, see, you have to get 5. Okay, when you subtract you have to get 5. So pairing is important. See, 13 5s are 65, 20 into 3, that is 60. So 60, this is 65. So when you subtract you will get 5. So select this pair, 60 and 65. Okay, 13 5s are 65, 20 into 3, that is 60. You have to give minus to one of the numbers. Okay, which number is perfect? To get minus 5, so you have to give a larger one. So then only you will get minus 5. So see, when you multiply you will get this number. When you add you will get minus 5. Okay, so you can replace in the middle term. So this is x square term. for 5x we are going to write plus 60x minus 65x minus 3900 equal to 0. Okay ma, so do you understand this step? Yes. So now we can grouping. So grouping. Okay. So take your number outside. X can be taken as common. So this is x plus 60 and here you have to take minus and 65 also. So you will get x minus went out. Okay, minus this minus is taken as common. So this will be plus and 3900 when you divide by 65 you get 60. So here it is 60 equal to 0. Okay students, so what is our final one? X plus 60 take as common, so x minus 65 equal to 0. See students, x plus 60 is equal to 0 or x minus 65 equal to 0. So this is x is equal to minus 60 or x is equal to 65. So students, x is 65. X is speed, so it cannot be negative number. So our answer is 65. Speed x is 65. So your final answer is final solution set is x is equal to 65. Okay, so before the speed is x minus 5 is 60. So okay, so do you understand? You can divide students. Okay, you can check. Okay, how will you check? 760 by 60, okay, and 760 by 65 plus 1. So you will get the same equation. You can check whether this equation is solving, matching, equalize that number. Okay, so you can find that. Okay, so see students, I have so many steps to do, but it is a very easiest thing, but you have to do the sum. Okay, by practicing you will do the sum. So it takes minus plus, so that is very much important. Okay, so here this minus is common, so you have to multiply minus x plus 5. Okay, so if you do carefully, definitely the sum will be easier to work. Okay students, practice makes perfect, so that is very perfect for mathematics. So please, after seeing the video, do the sum. Okay, thank you.